Hello there Quirky Birders, it's Lynn here, and it's time to put in the fine liner details for our lovely little illustration of our quirky frog. So fine liner wise, we're just going to be quite light with this really. We're going to do multiple lines in order to make it stand out, and so it's got a nice bit of contrast. So you can work with a really fine pen, so I've got a 0.05 here. You could work with a 0.1, 0.2, it's entirely up to you. You can also, the design will actually take a thicker pen as well, so if you did want to work with something that's a little bit thicker, then you could also do that too. But I'm just going to be working from a 0.2 downwards, and also then the fine 0.5. So what we'll do to begin with is we will just put in the eye details. So we're just going to sharpen those little pupils. I'll do that on both sides. And then we'll come around his eyes, but we'll come around his eyes with a thicker pen. So we're going to come around his eyes with the 0.2, and we'll just outline his eyes. And we'll pop in the semicircle at the top. And then we'll also come around the top of his head and eyes with that 0.2. And then we'll change to the 0.5 pen. And the rest of his outline, we're going to do it quite sketchy, so we're going to do multiple lines as we just come around our little frog. Add in his legs, and then let's come around his toes. And we'll do the other side as well. Put his creases under his belly. Again around the legs. And then let's give him a little smile. We'll outline the lily pad. And then we'll change to 0.1, and then we'll just outline the clouds. So we'll just come all the way around our little fluffy clouds. And then we can just write here's hoping you have a great day. And we'll just sign it at the bottom there. Now it's up to you what you do with the little bubbles that you've created. Now you can outline them just with your fine liner pen, or you can just leave them to sort of retreat almost and not be as obvious. You can also use your fine liner pen just to outline some of the bubbles and spots that you've painted on your little frog. So let's just go round and just do a couple of those. Do some over his eyes. And we'll come over the other side. And we'll just keep adding one or two little spots. Again, we'll do this side. We'll do line down his little legs. And there we go. That's him completely finished. So one little illustration, very cute and very quirky little illustration of a little frog for you. Kept with the Pride colours. We've used the colours of red, yellow, green, blue, purple and also orange, but it really does create quite a nice illustration, and like I say, one that's perfect for a card, or you could even frame it. If you've got a friend that really likes frogs, then you could even pop it in a frame just to give as a gift. I really do hope you've enjoyed the process of painting along with me, and I really do hope you've enjoyed the mindfulness, and I really do hope your mental health and well-being has had a little bit of a boost too. Thank you ever so much for joining me. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.